Okay, so he's gonna kill us now, and I hope... may nahulog.
Ay, nahulog yung plato.
Mga putang... Solid this.
Ay, ano ko pinapara? Hindi ako grab back. Tama. Tsene!
Hindi siya...
May ketchup ba kayo, ma?
Meron.
What's up, my welcome to our vlog.
So it's a lovely morning today here in Cardona. So prepare lang ako ng bats design for our Halloween party.
40?
Over naman sa prepare. Look. Inch! Yan. Ano-anong lumabas sila ng Cuevalicious. Ito yung gagawin namin kuweba. Tapos may ano dyan. Multuraka. Were materials here. I forgot to make a video. Yung ginagawa ko to. Yung stash namin for the Halloween party. So we have Ginoong Undas 2025, Binibining Undas 2025, and Spooky lang Ina merch 2025. Ito pa. Ano yan? Spider webs. Pang table. Parang balloon siya na may shape. I'll be setting up the photo booth here probably. Do a projection there para kunyari may mga ghosts sa bintana.
Uy. Hello, man.
Hi! Mga we're here in Cardona and we're going tomorrow to visit the dogs kasi nanganak si Karma. If you don't know who Karma is
A bitch.
a bitch. Yeah, she's literally a bitch.
A female dog.
Which means she's a female dog and she's pregnant. She gave birth yesterday to a two.
Today na.
Oh, just today? Okay, sorry. So,
Alright.
yun naman. Uy. Ayun, nanganak siya, dalawa. Isang itim, isang puti. Ano? Gender?
Hindi nga ma-check ni tatay. Masungit. It's been a while nung nasa akong nag-withdraw. Kasi puro online na. GCash, online payments, and everything. Nice. Pag kagaling namin sa kanila, pag ka-check namin sa dogs, pupunta na kami sa Herla na ulit. And then, we will pick Ritzy up sa bahay nila because she's coming with us to the grocery store. Important to capture every moment, especially the special moments that we're doing with our loved ones. Saan mapupunta tong usapan na to? Bakit parang pa-deep na siya? Parang nagde-dive na siyang ganun. Well, tagal lamang mag-withdraw. Alam mo talaga, maraming pera.
Excuse me?
So, you guys will meet Ritzy later. She's my old friend.
Right.
My long-time friend, I mean. Bakit ang tagal namang mag-withdraw?
Well, hold on on that. Hold on. Now, hold on. I'm not gonna say that.
Sige na,
right?
mamaya yan. Ang tagal ng aking mahal.
One eternity later.
Kaya palang tagal niya, siya ay bumili pa ng mais at sa Jiraka. Akala ko nagka-problem. I was so worried. Yeah. Yench, tapos kumarang ka dyan. Bumbuin mo yung mga kalaharang ni Yench. Cheers! Malasa. Ayun siya mo yan. Ay! Aray! Sorry, may hams. That was so reckless. Reckless! Ay, mag-open na para hindi ako grab back. Tama. Chene! Hindi siya. Baby, when I was my husband, I was singing solo to find me. Oh, baby. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost when you come back around after. Hi. Hello.
Taka, buntis ka pala, hayop ka.
Hello po.
Ba't dadalawa? Anak mo, be. Yung kunwari, wait lang. Nasa na lang ako? Dahil palibag ko lang.
Hi! Palitan daw yung 500 ng 100. Yellow shots. Lagi. Say hi, sis. So, we're drinking wine with vanilla ice cream. It's good. It's like strawberry Irish cream. So that you guys can see it. There. Not sure if it's visible. Abi!
Si Banks Garcia naman.
Pindutin mo nga ako.
Our first decoration here. So, nahulog na ano lang siya. Nahulog na mga sanga. And we also added these little things na nakasabit. Kaya ito my vlog. To Ken's vlog, I mean.
Ay, ka-vlog.
Kaya hindi makaligo si Ritzy. And then, bayan area lang. Later, mga guests. And we have a visitor. An early visitor na nauna yung kanyang lower half. Yung upper half niya, I don't know kung pupunta or baka may lakad na iba. Para mapalutang sila. So, that's it. That's the only thing. Hala, may nahulog.
Ay, nahulog yung plato.
Ang galing talaga ni Ritzy, eh. Like,
Cutie. Look at it.
dinuguan. And of course, hindi mawawala ang puto pag may dinuguan. Red putos. We also have meat, just in case may gusto mag-meat. And rice, of course. And the cups with designs, different designs. So Ritzy and I did this. Designed these cups. There. Outfit check!
Agos pa! Hi! To our vlog. Hi vlog! Hi Wednesday! Hi Wednesday! Hi O diba, ngayon lang kayo makakita ng airpod sa kan witch na nag-tiktok. Dito lang kayo makakita ng ganyan.